Hi guys, today I want to introduce to you about the SPG2. This is a handheld gimbal for smartphone. Handheld gimbal for smartphone. It is SPG2. Yeah, it is come from FeiyuTech. It's come from China. So this is the board. And okay, I will open this box and to show to you what inside. But before talking about this, I have some specifics that we have 5 hour for charging adapter is recommended, and it is fast charging is very fast for charging for battery, and the battery 26650, that means 3.6 volt, 5000 mAh, and it's also waterproof, and so and the use estimate use for the technical, they talks about 14 hour, and the weight is 440 40 gram. The packet for this, it is 11 centimeter, 12 centimeters and 12 centimeters. It's about 4.3 inch, and for the testing. So okay, so from the packet, it is always have one SP2 gimbal, one battery, one USB cable, and one mini chopper, and one user guide and one carrying case. Because today I have to I want to introduce this, because some other one people knows I have this gimbal. So and they told me about to review this. I have a lot of review for this, but the other one I use is better. I don't know exactly it's better than this or not, but it's very useful for me. I use this by I study mobile. Yeah. So okay, open. Today I just only talk about FeiyuTech, and so when we open this, it is in packet, but because I only use this, it is not a brand new, but I only use this. So in the packet we have this gimbal, and we have the battery inside it. Here we can open this. We have this one, and I will show you what inside. And here it is for the battery, and here we have the battery 26650, 3.6 volt, and 5000 mAh. OPPO, this is made in China from SPG2, but it is water resist, so we can put it here for the water resist. So it is very easy to install in this. Okay, let's look overview for it gimbal. So I have to talk a little bit for the overview. So I think this one is very flexible, flexible control, and it's not so not so heavy. And this is design electric stabilizer. That means it has this. When you have make the video, so it is stable for you if you want to make a news video. Okay, so first we look in it. This is for this one to handholds in your mobile, and which kind of this we can which kind of mobile we can mouse in it. Okay, for Android we have OPPO R9S or R15, VIVO X20 Plus, and Huawei C-mount, or Samsung S9 SA Plus, or OnePlus 5T, or LG V30, HTC U11 Plus. On iPhone, this is only for iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, and OPPO for iPhone 6s or 6. Or even if you have the GoPro camera, you can mount the GoPro camera here for GoPro Hero 7654 YI 4K. This is, you can mount this, and it is easy to to moving here, moving easy here. Yes, so that's just this one for. But okay, I will talk later. I will talk later about when my experience when I use it. And here for quick overview, we have which one in this gimbal. Okay, this gimbal is not the new one. I only use it is over 3 or 6 months. I don't know exactly, but about these things. And okay, here we have the laser monitor. This is for display. And here we have some joystick, very easy to handle, to control here. And this is very, I think it's very easy. You can move this one. This is very easy. Up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. So this is very easy to moving this one. Sorry, I don't have another camera, the phone here. So, but I will mount this later when we are testing this. And the second, that means for this one joystick, and here for the function button, the function, and we can choose for picture, for video or something here, and here for take the picture, here for the we call the shutter button. And here in beside they have a setting button, and you can change for a lot of function here, a function here for function, and here for setting. And we have an audio box. Let's be do it. You have your microphone, you can put it here, microphone here. And we have USB, that means micro USB port here. Yes, and otherwise we have the other function too. Here in the other side we have the function like here we call horizontal adjustment. That means it is for horizontal, yeah, adjustment button here. And we have the trigger button here, up down here, yeah, the trigger button. And here we have the multi-function. It is not up and down, but when we are touching in this. And okay, here for we have the other mount here for 1/4 to 20 wrist mount. You can mount to another function. And in this we have for USB. You can make this for battery or mount with the other things of the other device in it. So the detail for reviewing. So okay, now I just mount the LG. I just mount this, so we can make testing this. I think this is helpful for us to easy to mount, but it is very fit for this. But iPhone 10, 11 is not working with the big cover. Usually with the big cover outside, with it is not with the cover. Okay, maybe have some problem with the bin here. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I put the wrong direction of the battery, so that is not working. Okay, so back again with it. Okay, hit it for on and off. You can put it here on and off. So it is now is okay. Let's go. Here you can see my frame here. Haha, that's good. And here not see this is my face, but here you can see here for the function. Yeah, you can easy to move up and down, move on and left, right, and very easy. Very easy, up, down, up, left, right. Yeah. And here for the shooting, if you have installed the software, it is very easy. The software you can go to the menu and take the web to install this. And here for this button, you can use this button. Yeah, multi. If you can use this one also, you can use this one too. Yeah. And besides here, you can look that. We can move it. This is not up and down, not left and right, but it is can moving here. When you are like travel, you can hear, yeah, and here, yeah. That is a good one. But for the battery, I think this is let's talk about. But one thing, if you don't mount the this the emotion, they have emotion moving. If you are testing the face in the application, and when you are makes a video and you are moving, and it adjust moving up to you too. So that's the reason why some people like it. If you have a YouTube, or you have some channel, or you have something for the recordings, and your face is moving, or you want to set up some object when you are capture or something. So that is, I think this is very good one. Okay, so the other, I don't think it is bad. For this one is the battery. So people told us, okay, for the battery it is 14 hour, 4 hour. But when I use it, it's only about 6 or 8 hours for working. So sometimes you use only 2 or 3 hours after treatment. I use this. And the second, that's if you put something very heavy in this, like I have some iPhone 10, but I have the cover very big. It is fixed with it, but when you are moving, you are go somewhere, it is okay. But when you are sitting and at one place, sitting as one place, and you have this one, they have this one to put this in here, when you are sitting, and you hand the other very heavy, really heavy, so it cannot stand, and it is very go down. It is go down with this. It is not standing. It is go down. Okay, so that is short review for FeiyuTech SPG2. So I think it's very helpful for us for using this. I hope this videos will useful. Thank you so much for your watching, and please comment if you have any question or other things. Okay, so the last one I would told us a lot. Three months I bought this from Amazon, and it's about 180 180 US dollar. So but now it is cheaper than it is 160, or some people sell it is cheaper. But I think when you buy it, one recommend that if you use the mobile phone or use the camera, it is okay. But iPhone with iPhone 11 or iPhone 10, if you have the big cover and it is very heavy, so it cannot stand with it. This is one of the bad thing, not the bad thing when we use it. It is not advantage for this thing. Otherwise look one, and the other things for the battery is not so wow. Okay, thank you so much for your watching this video. If you like this video, please like and notify or subscribe our this channel. Thank you so much for some others encourage me to use the second language, but normally I want to try to improve my English. If some things it is not better, but I think some people left the comment to me and they encourage me a lot. Thank you again, and next video I will review about this one. I stick this mobile. I think I stick this mobile is much more interesting than. Okay, thank you so much. See you in next video. I love you. Thank you so much.